Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I have the Fire TV Stick Lite or Lite. So this is a Fire Stick Lite, and of course what I like about these is that it gives you Amazon's smart TV features on any standard TV. If you have a HDMI port, this will work. All right, so of course you can see the preview of the product on the box here. One of the things I like about this as well, if your TV is not a smart TV, you can use this. If your TV is a smart TV and you do not like the interface that comes with your TV, this is a better one. All right, so it does give you that interface, and through said interface you can access YouTube, Netflix, Prime Video, Hulu, and basically all the other streaming services, as you can see from the preview here. It's easy to start streaming and browsing the internet using this. All right, so as you can see here, this is the front of the device. You see the preview here, and of course you see the Amazon smiley face here. You can see on the side here, it does give you press and ask Alexa, so it has Alexa built in. It has 1080p quad core processor inside, so it's very fast, and of course it has 802.11 AC Wi-Fi. All right, you can see up here as well. On this side, it gives you a rundown of what's in the box. It does come with batteries, power adapter, USB cable, HDMI extender, and of course it gives you the second generation voice remote, and of course the Amazon Fire Stick. All right, so there's some serial information down here. I'll not show that. And of course, here we go. So we're gonna open this up. It gives you a section here to tear. This is brand new, so I'm gonna open this up. Alright, so give us a thumbs up if you like the video so far. Alright, so now that we have opened this section here of this brand new device, here we go. So first of all, here we have the remote. As you can see here, there's quick access buttons, Netflix, Prime Video, there's Direct TV, and of course there's Peacock if you have that. There's a TV button here, and of course you have a button here that shows fast forward, pause. You have menu, you have home, back, and of course you have the control button up here and the Alexa main button here, and there's a LED. You can check out the back here. It gives you a run through of how to open up. This is the HDMI breakout cable. Sorry, this is the USB charge cable. I think it's micro USB. Alright, so the whole thing does come out. Here you have the adapter itself. Alright, so as you can see here, it does give you that it's USB. I tell you to use the included adapter. Alright, so we're gonna place this here. Alright, here we have the HDMI breakout cable for the back of your device. As you can see here, this is HDMI. You can see here, I'm gonna place this as well. Alright, we have the documentation. And I think here we have the batteries at the back, so do not miss that, along with the adapter itself. So this is the adapter. Place this as well. You do get two batteries. These are Amazon Basics batteries, AAA. So that was very nice as well. Worst thing you could have is to get a new device and you can't access because of batteries. It gives you a run through of the procedure, shows you how to fit everything up in a convenient pamphlet. You can pause at any time to read. And it runs you through the safety information and so on. We have some more information around here. Don't think we need to read this about HDMI and so on. It does give you the hello or welcome. So that's the welcome pamphlet. All right. So nice presentation in this cardboard cutout. Everything is very efficient. Nice box presentation. All right. So as you can see here again, this is everything that comes inside of the box from Amazon. All right. So let's get into it. First of all, let's look at, and this is just an unboxing. I'll have other tutorials as well. This is the older version. I think this is version 1, and of course you can see the newer version here. So nice improvements right away. We like the addition of the quick access buttons, so that was not included here. There's this additional button here that shows something like a TV or whatever it is, I'm not sure. We'll figure that out later. All the buttons up here are basically the same. Similar setup here. Instead of voice assistant, there's now the branded voice assistant. So of course the LED, same size, and of course everything is very similar. All right, as we said before, it's easy to set up. all we gotta do here is add this for the breakout cable, add this to the back of the TV. We're gonna add this here to power. We're gonna plug this right here. We're gonna add the adapter to this section and plug it in, and of course that should power it, and the batteries for the remote. So you get the general idea. So this is the unboxing to show everything that's here. I'll have a run through of the interface later on, or any direct tutorials that I might find useful. So this is basically an unboxing and just showing you the product here for the Fire TV Stick Lite edition. The other version should be very similar except for additional buttons and features, but of course this is a great 1080p option to make your TV smart if you do not have a smart TV, or to improve the smart TV features of a TV you might have that's not so nice. All right, so of course I'll end the tutorial here, and as always guys, Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips saying bye until next time. Bye.